Is there money still to be made out here doing gig economy? Let's talk about it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're going like this. What's going on, y'all? I know it's been a minute. I haven't been posting like I normally have. I haven't been consistent. I took some time off. You know, burnout is a real thing when it comes to this content creating. Trying to find topics to talk about. Sometimes it's just nothing there. So I just took some time off and just focused on working. And boy, it's been slow. You know, I've been seeing a lot of content creators on here talking about, is the gig economy dead? Is there money to be still made out here? You know, and every market is different. You can only base these things off of your market. You know, we all can come on here and talk about how things are, if it's busy, if you can make money, but it's really just our market. We're only talking about how it is in our market. So unless you are going state to state or you're traveling to these different markets and doing these orders, then you really don't know. So in my market, it's slowed up, but that still isn't a reason to not make any money. We still got to make money. Got bills to pay, got stuff to take care of, so that doesn't stop. Even though it's slow, I haven't really been focusing too much on the DoorDashes and the Uber Eats. Those to me are stopgap apps where you use them alongside of other apps that bring you more money. So I haven't really been using DoorDash and Uber Eats too much. I've been really on Spark, and to be quite honest, I know a lot of you probably be like, yeah, he's lying. Grubhub has actually been doing a lot better in my market. These last 3 weeks, I've been making at least $80 to $150 on Grubhub alone per day. And for a long time, Grubhub was just nothing. I wasn't making $5 a week on Grubhub. So I don't know. I think they are with Amazon. I think Amazon bought Grubhub and they're offering it through their app or something. I don't know, but it's been a lot better. So if you have Grubhub or you don't have it, or it was been slow, try it out in your market, see if things pick up there. But I mean, I'm just giving y'all what I got. But how you guys been doing, man? I know these times have been hard. Seeing what's been going on with the economy, things going on with the country. Like, man, a lot of uncertainty these days. Not knowing where the money's going to come from. Gas prices super high. You guys let me know in the comment section. How is these gas prices affecting your workflow? Are you guys able to bring in more money so these gas prices aren't really affecting you as much? Or is it just bad out here? It's slow and these gas prices are high and it's oversaturation. Tell me, let me know in the comments how it is in your market. I'm telling you, it's crazy out here. It's just sad. It's sad that the country is where it is, but that doesn't stop us from having to go out here and still be productive and make our money. So, I mean, for those of you who are starting over in life, for those of you who lost their jobs, you know, in the last year or so, I'm praying for you guys. You know, this is scary times, but we got to pull through together to make things work. So I'm just trying to give you whatever plays, whatever things I have that can help you on your journey along your way. You know, by all means, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it to y'all. I'm telling you guys, Spark has been amazing in my market. So we got Spark going. We got Delivered. Delivered is a catering app. It's not Delivered, it's Expedite. Expedite, formerly known as Delivered. They've been really good too. So I've been just stacking those three apps. I've been using Spark, I've been using Expedite, and I've been using Grubhub. Those are the three main apps I've been using lately to make my money. You guys let me know in the comment section, what apps are you using to make money? And if you are still using Uber Eats and DoorDash mainly to go out here and get these orders and do these jobs. Uber Eats and DoorDash, they're cool, but they're not the only apps. There are other apps, so try downloading other apps in your market. Don't just focus on Uber Eats and DoorDash, because once they get saturated and it's slow on those apps, then you're stuck. You're not making any money. You out here doing the same thing that all these other drivers are doing, sitting and wasting time. But if you're getting value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to further support the channel, click the links down below. Buy me a coffee. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna start dropping content more often. I'm sorry that I took so long and I've been away from you guys for as long as I did, but I'm gonna be more consistent this time, this season. I'm gonna start dropping more content with more apps, more gig opportunities, and different opportunities to make money online and the non-conventional way. Because like I said, if you're starting over right now, if you are late 30s, in your 40s, and you're starting over, things are scary. That's not gonna stop us from going out here and making a way for ourselves, because we have to. We have people who depend on us, and you depend on you. So that's all I got for you guys. But it's your boy AD signing out. Until next time, peace out.